mine every now and again. She always makes sure there's a nice bottle of Rioja for me. That's split a room, hasn't it? That's,
I'm here to inform you that you and Buffy the Vampire Slayer inadvertently made me gay. That's not fair.
I love Australians because they're a little bit like the British, aren't they, the Aussies? Very similar, the Aussies and the Brits, except the Australians are happy, which is fucking weird, isn't it?
You're in my blood. 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 You're very kind and you're in fine form. Give yourselves a hand. Thank you so much for Lesbolicious putting us on tonight. Thank you for being such good acts on before us as well, because it would have been so embarrassing if they'd been shit. So well done, Lesbolicious.